Titanium Forging Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global titanium forging market size will be $668,548.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America titanium forging market size of $267,419.40 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe titanium forging market size of $200,564.55 million. Asia Pacific titanium forging market size of $153,766.16 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America titanium forging market size of $33,427.43 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa titanium forging market size of $13,370.97 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.